Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to talk about some of the things you need to not do if you want to become a successful real estate investor. If you're new to this channel, hit that subscribe button. Now, why would you want to listen to me? For one, I have invested in real estate. I'm going to draw from my own personal experience, not from some book or something. So stick around if you want to save some time, money, sweat, and energy when you're investing in real estate property. So this video would be quite helpful for you. Now let me get this clear. When you want to think of investing in real estate, there are two types. One is buy and sell. The other one is buy and keep. I'm going to be talking about buying and keeping it. Number one, when you want to invest in property, you buy the property and make sure you don't spend too much time renovating it, because when you're spending time renovating it, that's going to be costing you money because that is off the market, and you're going to be losing the rental income while you're renovating it. And also you're going to be spending money on renovation. So I'm talking about there are two types of renovation. One is cosmetic and the other one is structural. So you don't want to be doing the structural renovation because that takes too much time and money as well. You're better off getting a property which is already tenanted and all you're doing is just changing hands from the previous landlord to your name. So the property is just changing hands on papers, transfer from the previous landlord to your name. That's it. To the place where you could, if you're really interested in renovating it, then that will be when you buy and sell. Because when you buy the property which is really in a bad shape, you spend some time on it, giving it a bit of a facelift. And when the property is really in a good condition, then when you bought the property, you can make some money off of it. And also, the place where I live here in Melbourne, they say you can't really get some tax benefits when you're renovating it if it is not tenanted. If you have found this video helpful, do let me know in the comments down below, and I'll see you next time.